Hey guys, just doing this week's circulars, I guess, in the supermarkets. And again, this is about teaching people about shopping and how they can save money, food shopping. I always say to purchase best on unit price, versus the package price. Some people do, whereas you're able to find products for the same product for half the money just by looking at the unit price. Okay, unit price is per pound, per ounce, you know, per box or what have you. But today we have almost half price, top round. Some of these ads, they raise the price to put them on sale, but 2.99 save to is this usually $5 a pound? Yeah, and $6 a pound. Meat's expensive, but again, 2.99 top round. Okay, good price. Whole chicken 99 cents, good price. Always look at your dates to make sure you're in the date. Today is the 31st, so we're in the dates. There's a couple of good buys here. We got the whole chickens for 99 cents. Usually $1.99. They go up to $2.99. Pork chops a good price. Look, save half the money. So that's what we look for, savings. But you also want to make sure at the end of the day, the price per unit is good. That's not a savings. But as you learn how to shop and understand pricing, you'll see. Here's a good example of understanding things. So we have a 2 pound bag of onion or 5 pound bag of Maine potato. So two 5 pound bags is 10 pounds for $4. That's 40 cents a pound, guys, for potatoes. That's 40 cents a pound for potatoes is huge. Okay? So you get 50 pounds of potatoes if you have a family or whatever, and you know what? Um, uh, $20 in potatoes can feed people for a month, right? Not that I'm saying to eat potatoes, too much potatoes, because of all the carbs. What else do we have going on? This is another company. I always check the dates. Yeah, we're in the date Tuesday. And what do we have here? Good price on shrimp. This company here doesn't tell you the $4.97 a pound is unit price. The bag is $9.94, right? But now look at the size of the shrimp, 31.40. They're a little smaller than the 20s, half the size of 20s, but price wise, remember the smaller the shrimp, the less per pound, okay? Less cost per pound. Let's see what we got here. Uh, Almost half price. Again, we have eye round chuck, bone in chuck. This is a good slow cooking meat, guys. For $2.77 a pound, you can't grow a cow for that. They put a limit on there. Good price. That's a eye of round. That's a bottom round. Not as good as the top round, but look at the savings on there. Okay, but the all these meats slow cooked tender, boy, are delicious. Salt, pepper, garlic. You know, most important stuff on these pages is the front page. Everything else is carbs and sugar probably. But let's see what else we got. Boneless pork chop, 99 cents is a good price. It says save $1. You want to save more than that. Sirloin steak, $5.99. It's only saved $2. You can get a better deal. And anything else here? Ham. All depends. I always look at the sodium on the ham, guys. Haddock, pricey. Fish is always pricey, guys. 12 ounce, $4.99. Actually, for feta cheese, that's a good price. Remember, it's 12 ounces, $4.99. So your cost per pound is around 6. Remember, that's 3/4 of a pound for $4.99. Add another quarter onto that is another dollar anyway, right? Per pound price is about 6, which is fantastic for feta cheese. $6 a pound. Uh, Coffee, see, they're not a pound anymore. They're 12 ounces. They're even a half a pound. You know, so unit price. Coffee always goes by the pound. Try to figure out the pound price. Look, half-pound cheese. So 2 half-pound cheeses equal a pound. That's $5. That's about average. Nothing fancy. Paper towels, $2 a piece is the regular rate, and I'm saying you're saving money, which is not really the fact here. And again, look at your start Sunday. Yeah, okay, so we're in there. Bread. Learn how to make bread, guys. Pasta sauce, that's up there. Boy, you learn how to make pasta sauce. I'll do a pasta sauce recipe. All right, guys. So beef is the sale item this week. Chicken is not the sale item. They bounce around a little bit. But out of all this, what is the best thing here? You know, $2.77 a pound. Roasts. Okay. Grapes are healthy for you. The Risperidol, the dark grape. And top round for $2.99. Almost half price. Okay, guys? All right, enjoy. Hope this helped you.